Hello everyone, it's Jason Jones here with the Evergrene Group, and today we're breaking down the March 2026 Palm Beach Gardens real estate market update. And honestly, Palm Beach Gardens continues to show serious strength. We're seeing rising prices, strong buyer activity, shrinking inventory, and some interesting differences between the single family and the condo townhome markets. So whether you're thinking about buying, selling, investing, or relocating to PBG, let's dive into these numbers. So first, I like to start with the single family numbers. They're very impressive actually. Median sale price jumped from $1 million to just over 1.11 million year over year. That's an 11.3% increase. And average sales surged more than 34% sale price, that is. That actually tells me high-end luxury activity is still very active in Palm Beach Gardens. Closed sales were also up more than 11%, while pending sales increased over 12%. So buyers are absolutely 100% still in the market. Now here's another big story. New listings dropped 20% year over year and inventory declined over 9%. Months supply of inventory has also tightened from 6.7 months down to 5.4 months. So despite some buyers waiting on the sidelines nationally, that is not the case here in Palm Beach Gardens. It is still on fire, really. I mean, one thing that did increase though was median time to contract from 65 to 77 days. So homes are still selling, but buyers are being a little more selective and taking slightly longer to commit. Now let's talk about the condo and townhome market. I don't love that the data's all lumped together, but here it is, because townhomes and condos behave so differently. So the closed sales increased huge, 32% year over year, but median sale price dropped quite significantly from $467,000 to $427,000. Average sale price also dropped 21%. So what is that really telling us about the condo slash townhome market? It suggests that buyers are becoming more price sensitive in this market. But here's an interesting positive shift. Median time to contract actually improved from 88 days down to 80 days. I know it's not like huge, but it's improvement, right? And inventory dropped dramatically down more than 34%, and the month supply also tightened from 7.3 to just 4.6 months. So even though prices softened somewhat, there's still solid absorption happening in the condo market. So what does all of this mean if you're a buyer? If you're a buyer right now in Palm Beach Gardens, I think this should be your biggest takeaway. Well-priced homes are still moving, especially in desirable neighborhoods with updated finishes, country club access, or newer construction. Inventory simply isn't flooding the market the way some people expected. Now in the condo space, buyers may have slightly more negotiating leverage, especially on properties with higher carrying costs. If you're a seller here in Palm Beach Gardens, if you are a seller here in Palm Beach Gardens, this is still a very solid market, but strategy does matter more than ever. The homes that are getting the strongest activity are the ones that look great online, are priced realistically, and marketed aggressively. The days of simply throwing a home on MLS and expecting a bidding war over, every showing, that's behind us, it's gone. Doesn't exist anymore. But Palm Beach Gardens continues to outperform many markets because demand for the lifestyle here remains strong. So overall, the March 2026 Palm Beach Gardens market remains resilient. Single family prices are still climbing, luxury activity is still strong, inventory remains relatively constrained, and while buyers are becoming more selective, demand clearly does still exist. If you're thinking about selling in Palm Beach Gardens, really anywhere, Alton, PGA National, Evergrene, Mirasol, Ballenisles, Garden Lakes, the Landmark, feel free to reach out anytime. And if you found this update helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone considering a move to South Florida. I'm Jason Jones, and I'll see you the next time. Thank you.